What are you working towards? What's your North Star, right? And so regret mitigation in that sense is potentially saying no to a lot of things now, knowing that you're driving towards, okay, the why, and everything's building towards that why. This is not a zero-sum game, right? This is more of a dial, right? So at what point can you start saying yes, even if it's a smaller yes? Maybe you can't give the full amount to charity that you want, but you can do a little bit on a regular basis that can have massive impact on the community around you. Our job is to align ourselves with our clients and understanding their whys and understanding how important certain things are to them so that we can actually proactively start bringing up, hey, you're in a financial position now that says you can start gifting some money away. You're gonna be just fine from a lifestyle standpoint. Now it's kind of moving that conversation to, how do you make your legacy work for you now versus later?